welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell, you're joining me from in the Clio, and probably as you can tell by the caption, we are going up to RStuning today in Leeds, taking a road trip. We're just going to send it, get up there, get what we need to get done and get back. Now the story behind today's trip is me and a couple of the guys on the forum and stuff are getting an error warning, a check ignition system warning light come up. And just to be clear, this is not RStuning's fault, this isn't the map's fault, this is something that they hopefully can alleviate though, so they can remove some of the boundaries and stuff that are making potentially this error trigger. So I'm on my way now to pick up Ben. Right, so we've got a good 3-hour trip roughly left to do on the trip now. So basically the aim of today is to go up there, get it on the dyno, try and get it to throw the code so we can see what it is, and hopefully just take it off and get rid of it so it stops popping again, because every time it pops the start stop don't want to work, and the check ignition system, we just want to check that there's not actually a fault and it's just a generic Renault code that's being thrown, so we can't actually, so it doesn't cause actually any damage. Oh mate, what's gone on here? This has all changed. Topping her up with a good sheet. Oh no. Oh no. Rip. Obviously. You better not be eating pastry in the car. Right, we've arrived in Leeds, we're closing in on RStuning now. I'm going to pull up and get everything sorted and catch up with Paul and then find out what's going on, and then we'll update. Right, we've just arrived, just going to check in with Paul and everything like I said, and then yeah, keep you updated, get some rolling road footage and shit. Just pulled up and there's this sick 200. This colour's so nice as well. One example. Oh, the cup wing as well. Yeah, boy. Naughty. Got their M2 comp car, development car as well. See if we can get Paul to start that up later. That's so much quieter. The diffuser as well. The diffuser's sick as well.
Nice, isn't it?
Right, so let's have a little chat what just happened. Basically, we went in expecting obviously to resolve the issue. I won't know about that until I've obviously done a considerable amount of sendage. But in doing so, we made more power. And lot more low end, and that's weird. I can already feel that as well. Basically, he got me 40 foot-pounds through low end range, and he made me another 6 up top. In his strongest pull made 265.8, 266 horsepower in literally in bolt-ons on a Clio. That is it. And literally, he said he's never had one pull that before, ever. And he just said it just loves timing. So he was throwing loads of timing at it. And yeah, made 265.8, but there was a slight bit of knock, so wound it back, and then it pulled its strongest was a 263.7 or whatever, something like that. But basically, we've somehow broken the 260 mark on a trophy with bolt-ons, and I'm well happy. So basically, we're going to try and, well, I'm just going to send it at the next opportunity and see what it's like. But even initially there, like that 40 extra low end, I can feel it already. Just where I was being a little bit too much, where I'm used to driving it as it was. Yeah, I can already feel that low end. So, what is that?
It's my can, isn't it? Oh, God.
So yeah, well happy with that result, and he done it for free. So what an absolute legend. Yeah, massive shout out to RStuning for setting me in, you know, and stuff. Fiesta.
Help me!
What's happening?
I don't know.
What happened there?
Fucking send it. I want to give it the sendage. Break. Come on, mate, you've got mount tune bits. Surely you want some. I'll give it you.
Being a good boy.
Come on, mate. Don't let me down. I've got 2 miles till I've got to turn off. Mini dugget. There you go.
See if you dropped 2 gears to be ready.
Come on, mate, get out of the way.
Just undertaking.
That is not flat out. That thing is not flat out.
We're coming off here, aren't we?
Mount tune. Bye bye. That was not flat out. Oh my god. Get absolutely chopped.
This does rock on.
You guys are right there. So after that pure choppage of your Mount Tune ST choppage, a bit more detail of what's actually just happened. We went up to basically get rid of that that error light that's showing under heavy load, and it's the check ignition system. A couple of guys on the thing are having it. I've got a 140i right up my arse.
Let him go. Let him go.
Jog on. Is it a 140 though?
Either way, it's going to be fairly quick.
We'll have a go.
It's going to be 300 plus.
We'll have a laugh. That did not walk up very quick.
Yeah, he's probably poodling, mate.
Well, hopefully it's sorted the issue out. If it hasn't, he said get in contact with him again and we'll look into it a bit more. But he's done what he thinks he can to sort it, so we'll see in the near future, probably on the way home. But yeah, we're well happy. More power, more torque, nicer curve. Winning. Huh? More choppage. If you're watching this and you're planning on getting your car mapped, don't turn up with 95 fuel. If you turn up with 95 fuel, he's going to start getting mad, because the amount of people that he says go to him and they just turn up on 95 or like shit fuel from bloody Texaco or something. He can't pull the timing enough to make the power. So you're going there and you're only putting yourself at a disadvantage by going there with a lower fuel octane. You're not allowing him to pull time timing enough to get that power increase that you want, and that is what's helped me clearly today get some more power out of this. Taking it with good fuel, and he'll be able to pull as much out of it as he can. A guy went in before me with a 200 on Morrison's fuel, and it made 175 brake, and it's a 200, so that's how under he was. And Paul ended up adding some race fuel, just to get the octane level up a little bit. So, and then it made 198, I think it was. So, and he managed to get over 230 out of that, which was good. But yeah, just don't go and map your car on 95. For the love of God, start using 99. Get a full tank of 99 in there as well. Don't go in there with half 99, half 95, and then do it properly, because it costs a lot of money. It's worth it. It's just worth it. It's worth running the proper fuel. It's dead. Flip! Right, I'm going to have to do an outro before this dies. Yeah, if you got this far, thanks for watching and everything. You know what to do, smash a like and subscribe and all that stuff, and get amongst it as per usual. Ben's Mini will be featuring on the channel at some point soon, in the near future. But yeah, like and subscribe and all that. Catch you in the next one.